Hola amigos, today we are going to buy tamales. Let's go. Here's the tamales. There. Hola, buenas tardes. ¿Tienes con dulce? ¿Qué quieres?
What?
What do you have?
Piña, fresa y elote.
Elote y piña.
¿Uno y uno?
Sí. Dos. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
30.
¿Para dos?
60.
Ok. Filipina.
Ok, sí, porque se parece como a asiático.
Asia, sí. En Asia. Muchas gracias. You want to say hi? Gracias. Bye bye. Okay, let's go home and eat our tamales for today. So here's our tamales. So tamales. Tamales. Wow. Yan. Here's the tamales. I think elote or This one is pineapple, piña. So good. Grabe. So now, let's try this. Look at that. Parang siyang mais din, no? Kailangan mong balatan. Oh, wow. This is corn. Grabe. I like this one. Para siyang maha. I will buy this one again. So that's it.